All right, today we have another sneak peek, and we just, before the dust and dirt catches up with us, we just put in this custom top, which is the Caesarstone Vanilla Noir on this family built-in. This is the family room. It's got I put the cover on the RC side. I had a little knob I have to put here, but we gotta find it. They just brought this in, and we have other things being corrected for this side. But it's just so exciting. There's storage doors over here. Absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And we're also doing changing, and as I turn around, we'll just walk through here so you can see a lot going on. Everybody's complaining about all the people in here with the dust, but the dining room is getting done today. We added the crown on the top, and we templated the mirror, which is so exciting. So it's going to be spectacular. You can see all the dust in here. It's pretty cool. It's going to be gorgeous. And then, of course, around the corner we're finishing the base that ties into the existing base.